An admitted scammer is in ICE custody right now, and it's her guilty plea that may mean she will be deported. Now the Minnesota woman is pushing to withdraw that plea despite already serving time for what she did. And the Hennepin County Attorney's Office is supporting her. Lou Ragoose leads us off tonight. Lou?
Julie, this case is unique, not just because of the immigration issue that's casting a huge shadow over it. Mai Vang pleaded guilty to stealing almost $500,000 and has already served her full sentence, almost 3 years in prison. And this appeal didn't come up until she was detained by ICE.
Mai Vang pleaded guilty in 2020 to theft by swindle, admitting she stole $450,000 from fellow church members and acquaintances in what the Hennepin County Attorney's Office called at the time a ginseng scam. According to the criminal complaint, Vang told the victim she was dying of cancer when she solicited investment money for a non-existent ginseng farm in Wisconsin, then spent that money on gambling. Vang agreed to serve a 54-month prison sentence, which she has since completed. Her petition to plead guilty, which Vang signed, says, "I understand that if I am not a citizen of the United States, my plea of guilty may result in deportation." Now, KARE 11 News has confirmed Vang is currently detained by ICE in Candiota County, facing possible deportation. And the Minnesota Public Defender's Office and Hennepin County Attorney's Office are asking a judge together to allow Vang to withdraw her guilty plea.
When somebody's facing deportation based off a felony conviction, would removing that guilty plea prevent the deportation?
It certainly can.
Minnesota immigration law attorney David Kubat, who is not a part of this case, says this scenario is rare, but if the judge believes the conviction had a constitutional problem, then she could overturn the guilty plea.
From the court's perspective, it comes down to whether the person's plea was knowing, intelligent, and voluntary.
Vang's attorney is arguing that before she pleaded guilty, Vang was wrongly told she was avoiding a longer sentence that would come if she went to a trial. The prosecutor's office agrees and co-signed a stipulation. Chief Judge Carrie Meyer, who will make the decision, noted that she was aware of the urgency for a decision because of Vang's situation with ICE.
This might be the entire difference for her with respect to whether she can even present a case that she should be able to remain or not.
We posed questions to Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty, including about the timing of the appeal and the immigration issues. Through a spokesperson, she said that they aren't sharing additional details on a pending case and that, quote, "we regularly review post-conviction matters on a case-by-case basis and respond accordingly." Julie?
Yeah, and certainly that plea in 2020 rings a lot different than it does today in today's political climate. Do you know, is this something that they're seeing more of? Are there other cases like this you think that could come forward, or does this seem pretty unique?
The immigration attorney told me that it is unique for this to happen. It is rare for this to happen, but the way that the circumstances are set out, it has happened before, where even though she's done her full sentence, if both sides want to avoid the deportation issue, and there is a constitutional issue, allegedly, that's what they're both arguing right now, then we'll see what the judge decides.
All right. Great reporting. Thank you, Lou.